This is the Orca Boat Shop and I am Rod. And this is just a quick update on a new product that I'm going to begin using on canvas canoes. So what I've been selling and using on my website for almost 20 years now is a product called Robson RT10. The company is Robson Thermal. It is locally made. It is an elastomeric rubber-based latex compound, and this is going to be my last pail. So the reason is that the manufacturer themselves are kind of discontinuing this line and replacing it with a new line. So Robson RT10 is quite thick, and as you see in the videos, it requires sort of watering down with some sponges to rub it into the canvas. I've enjoyed using it. Lots of people across North America have been using it and have found it very useful. But the new product in their line, well, actually not a new product, but the new product that we'll be using is RT38. This comes more in a can. It is more like paint, latex paint, but it is still an elastomeric rubberized compound. This product is actually easier to apply. It can be applied simply with a brush. It, once dry, is quite smooth, just like latex paint on your house, although it still has that rubberized sort of feel to it, so it's difficult to sand. And a gallon of this is unfortunately a little more expensive than the price that I was charging for the RT10. But I do believe that this can here, a gallon, will go much further. You'll be able to put on probably 3 to 5 coats on a standard 16-foot canoe, and you can clean your brushes just like you would with any latex paint. So this is the product that's now going to be available on my website, and you will see me using in any future videos. Thank you very much.